This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pachordathis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. An unrelenting rise in coronavirus cases globally is weighing on sentiment at the start of the trading week as investors increasingly question their rosy predictions about the recovery. Europe is at the center of the latest resurgence, with many localities announcing toughened restrictions. While most governments seem intent to not go down the lockdown route, the growing number of regional curbs being imposed threaten to derail Europe's recovery, which is already showing signs of faltering. Flash PMI numbers due later this week are being eagerly awaited to gauge how well business activity held up at the start of September. The dimming outlook in Europe contrasts with the slightly more optimistic one in the United States. However, the U.S. economy is far from being risk-free, as the diminishing odds for additional fiscal stimulus mean the recovery could soon run out of juice. There had been some hope in the past week that the Republicans could be ready to accept a bigger virus relief package. However, President Trump's determination to nominate a new Supreme Court justice before the election could scupper any chance of a bipartisan deal. As for the election itself, the uncertainty in the run-up to the November 3rd polling day is one more drag on the markets that could exasperate any risk-off episode. All this may have knocked the wind out of the risk rally for good, as equities look increasingly stuck in a sideways pattern, while the safe haven yen powers ahead, extending its winning streak against other majors today. Dollar-yen hit a 6-month low in thin Asian trading as Japanese markets are closed today and tomorrow. But the dollar fared better against other currencies, rising sharply against the euro and pound as the mood soured further. A number of Fed officials will be taking to the virtual podium this week, with the main attention being on Chairman Powell, who will testify before Congress on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Powell is also due to speak today at 1400 GMT. Shares in Europe were hammered on Monday as growing jitters about the economic outlook as well as the political unease in the U.S. unsettled markets. The declines are adding to September's sharp pullback, which has seen all three main indices on Wall Street fall for 3 straight weeks, raising the prospect that stocks are entering a bear market. This is today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.